The topic is about importance of NCC. Starting with the introduction, what is NCC? The abbreviation of NCC. So the NCC stands for National Cadet Corps, and moreover, it started in 16 July 1948. Moreover, what is the importance of NCC? Can anybody tell? NCC is not about having the aura of wearing the uniform. NCC is just about motivating people, motivating the youth. NCC is an organization to develop youth, to stand their motivation, to stand, to build their stamina, to build how to serve the nation, to moreover their character development. So, talking about the main aspects of NCC, what are the aspects of NCC? So, aspects of NCC are character development. NCC not only tell you what to do, how to do. It tells you, it stands you, it wears you. So it is about character development. How you build your character, how you build your strength, how you build your stamina. It is about that. Moreover, discipline. NCC is about discipline. Moreover, NCC, the main motto of NCC. The NCC is about unity and discipline. Unity. What do you mean by unity? Unity is not about एकता. एकता तो है, but what about the teamwork? For example, हमें सिखाया जाता है कि एनसीसी में कभी भी कोई एक इंसान रगड़ा नहीं खाता. काम सभी करते हैं, गलत काम सिर्फ एक करेगा, लेकिन रगड़ा सभी खाएंगे. सो इट इज अबाउट टीम वर्क. यूनिटी इज अबाउट टीम वर्क. तुम्हें सिखाया जाता है कि एनसीसी में टीम वर्क कैसे करना है. यूनिटी एंड द डिसिप्लिन. डिसिप्लिन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि इट इज अबाउट योर पर्सनैलिटी. डिसिप्लिन इज अबाउट हाउ यू वेयर योर यूनिफॉर्म. तुम्हारी चटकी, तुम्हारा सब कुछ, तुम्हारी लाइन जो तुम्हारी यूनिफॉर्म पे आती है. इट इज अबाउट द डिसिप्लिन. Moreover, talking about more aspects of NCC, your character development, your motivation, it all comes in the field of NCC. NCC is an organization that develops the youth, that develops the current youth to build your development. So, NCC, it is about, NCC is moreover about wings. As you know, NCC has 3 wings: Army, Air Force, Navy. So, Army, Air Force, Navy are the 3 wings that categorize into the NCC. Moreover, talking about the advantages of NCC, the advantages of NCC in NCC categorized of 3 certificates: A certificate, B certificate, C certificate. A certificate वो लोग करते हैं जो 8, 9, 10th में होते हैं. तो ए सर्टिफिकेट्स का मेन मोटिव यही है कि वो तुम्हारा स्टेमिना बिल्ड करें, तुम्हारे डेवलपमेंट को देखें, तुम्हारे करेक्टर को, तुम्हारे पर्सनालिटी को, हाउ यू बिल्ड. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंक्लूजन.